We know there are 8 planets in our solar system moving around the Sun in their own elliptical paths. Among all the 8 planets, the only planet where life is possible is the planet Earth. And this is the reason why it is known as a unique planet. The Earth has some specific characteristics which makes it suitable to live in. Let's know what are these characteristics and how they work. Number 1. Availability of water. About 70% of the Earth's surface is water covered. This water helps all the living things to survive. But why is water so important for life? All organisms are made of cells, from microbes to the largest animals. All of life's functions are completed within cells. Life needs chemical reactions to take place in order to gain energy, grow, and get rid of waste. Water is liquid, which allows the chemistry of life to take place. So we can say, as there is water, there is life on Earth. Number 2. A protective magnetic field. The Earth has a magnetic field called magnetosphere, which protects us by shielding the Earth from solar winds that are constantly blasted out from the Sun. Solar winds are made up of charged particles which contain so much energy that they would be damaging to the Earth's atmosphere and would tear it apart if they reached it. Fortunately, the Earth's atmosphere shields us from these particles by deflecting them out and around the Earth. Number 3. Earth's distance from the Sun. It is said that the Earth is at the right distance from the Sun. If it would move closer to the Sun, all the glaciers would melt, raising sea levels and flooding most of the planet. Without land to absorb some of the Sun's heat, temperatures on Earth would continue to rise. On the other hand, if the Earth would move farther from the Sun, all the water bodies would freeze, affecting many living organisms and their ecosystems. Additionally, the decrease in sunlight would affect plant growth and photosynthesis, which would in turn impact the food chain. Number 4. Orbital characteristics. The Earth orbits at just the right distance from the Sun to support life. It has a stable orbit that keeps it from colliding with other planets or objects in space. It also has a tilt that creates seasons, which is termed as solstice and equinox. You can watch this video to know how seasons are caused. Number 5. 24-hour rotation period. We know that the Earth rotates once in 24 hours. Just imagine what would have happened if the Earth did not rotate on its axis. If it would have happened, one side would always face the Sun while the other side would be away from the Sun. Thus, one side would become very hot and the other side would become very cold. Ultimately, life would not have been possible under such circumstances. To know how Earth's rotation and revolution affects the Earth, you can watch this video. Number 6. A favorable atmosphere. The Earth has a security blanket, that is, its atmosphere. It is thick enough to protect the planet from harmful radiation, but not so thick that it prevents the Sun's rays from reaching the surface. Thus, the Earth's atmosphere not only protects us from harmful solar radiation, but also it warms our planet and keeps temperatures habitable for our living Earth. Apart from this, Earth's amazing gaseous atmosphere is responsible for making life possible on Earth. It contains a balanced amount of carbon dioxide as well as oxygen, which are important for the living organisms. The Earth's atmosphere also plays a major role in Earth's water cycle. The atmosphere is the superhighway in the sky that moves water everywhere over the Earth. Water at the Earth's surface evaporates into water vapor, then rises up into the sky to become part of a cloud, which will float off with the winds, eventually releasing water back to Earth as precipitation. Therefore, the atmosphere creates the pressure with the help of which liquid water exists on our planet's surface. Thank you viewers for investing your time here. If you found this video informative, then please share it with your close relatives and friends through WhatsApp.